Manual coffee grinder with ceramic burrs, hand coffee mill with 2 glass jars, 11 ounces each, brush and 2 tablespoon scoop. Lengthen stainless steel handle saves you effort when grinding beans, providing fun of grinding coffee beans. Ceramic burr will not add heat during grinding. The coffee mill can use for longer time and can keep the original flavor of coffee, making this the best choice of coffee lovers. Silicone lid is soft to touch and convenient to add beans, and both the brush and scoop can help you enjoy the brew anywhere without further tools. This coffee mill is easy to wash and clean. The coffee grinder is adjustable and easy to control. Adjusting grind control can help you get coffee fine or coarse. It all depends on your will. The coffee mill can disassemble into parts, all the parts are washable without limit. And 2 glass jars design are convenient to keep powders or beans during traveling or small party with friends. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.